Hi there, I'm Kurt and I manage sales here at Essential Energy Solutions. In this short video, I'm going to show you just some of the steps we take to perform quality work and back it up with great customer service, and why we are rated as one of the top installers in Queensland. Essential Energy Solutions is a business which was established in 2010 and has performed works for thousands of customers in northern New South Wales and South East Queensland. We serve both the residential and commercial sectors for on-grid and off-grid solar, solar maintenance, air conditioning and general electrical. We perform sales, installations and after-sales support ourselves. We do not use subcontractors or offshore call centres. Residential and light commercial solar makes up around 60% of the revenue for the business, while the other 40% comes from government contracts where we perform general electrical works. Our solar electricians are Clean Energy Council certified for the design and installation of solar and battery system. We continually employ apprentices and pass down our years of knowledge and wisdom to ensure a healthy future for the industry and our business. Our preferred method of quoting is to conduct site inspections so that we get to know our customers and their home, so that we can provide solar options that best suit rather than have set packages. Each system is designed to make the most of site conditions, and our team will go the extra mile to work around any obstructions that could cause shading and to install all equipment as discreetly as possible. Through our long-standing relationships with suppliers, we can procure equipment from every manufacturer in the industry. Plus, we have a large warehouse so that we are able to secure stock for all installations, as well as provide a wide range of products for our customers, though we only recommend products from manufacturers with a strong history and presence here in Australia. When it comes to the inverter installation, we won't install the inverter in a location that's easiest for us, but instead we will install it where it is a good working environment that won't void a warranty, and we will endeavour to keep all conduit and cabling hidden in the walls where possible. We will connect your inverter to the home Wi-Fi and show you how to use the app so that you can monitor the system. We leave a sticker with our details on the inverter so you'll never lose our details in case you need our assistance in the future. There are many brands of home storage batteries these days available in a whole variety of sizes and functionality. Given that batteries are expensive and add a layer of complexity to your system, we take the time to understand our customers' motivations for home storage to ensure we're installing a system that will meet expectations. The safety of our team on site is our first priority. We provide all of our staff with the correct equipment, training, time and procedures so that they can perform the job safely on your roof. Probably two of the most crucial aspects of a high-performing, long-lasting solar system are the ancillary electrical components and the installation. And this is where many companies will cut corners to cut costs. Poor workmanship or cheap and nasty electrical gear can lead to underperformance, premature failure of the panels or inverters, or even worse, it could lead to the damage of your home. We've learnt many tricks and tips over the years on how to prevent water leaks, as well as which brands of electrical equipment are going to last for decades on your roof and which brands won't. Poor handling of panels can cause damage to the panels that isn't always visible and can cause issues many years later. We educate our staff on correct handling of panels to avoid scratches or microfractures that could lead to premature breakdown of your panels. When installing racking, we grind a recess in all tiles that sit above feet, or on a tin roof, we use feet with a curved base to deliver a firm attachment that will last for decades without issue. If we break any roof tiles, we will notify you, then replace the tile immediately. In fact, we will replace any tile that we notice is broken, even if we didn't break it. We ensure a neat and tidy cable run in the ceiling, with all cables housed in conduit and fixed to the roof structure. All the conduit is neatly labelled so that it can be easily identified by homeowners or other trades in the future. If necessary, we will increase the size of cables used to avoid losses due to resistance, and we will use stainless steel cable ties on your roof so that after 25 years in the sun, your cables will still be securely fastened to the racking. And yes, we clean up after ourselves during and at completion of our installations. Solar is low maintenance, but we are here to assist you to keep your system performing at its best. Manufacturers recommend that you clean the panels annually, so we will remind you each year. We also offer this as a service where we will come out and perform a clean but also inspect the entire system for any loose cabling or signs of early degradation, plus review its historical performance and provide you with a report. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it has helped you realise how we've taken lessons learned from years in the industry to refine our company and procedures to help us build a solid reputation and excel within the industry.